welcome to the Action YouTube channel. My name is Bleona and today we're going to be doing a really fun craft together. Now before we begin, I'd like to introduce myself a little bit. I am currently a 10th grader at Oklamas High School and my favorite thing to do is anything with art, which is what we're doing today. And when I was younger, I went to Bennett Woods and my favorite thing to read at that time was Charlotte's Web. It's an amazing book and I recommend it to anyone. Now that we know each other a little bit, we can get started on our activity, which is an arts and crafts turkey. Now, the materials we're gonna need are a couple colorful sheets of paper. So I have white, green, orange, brown, and then purple, but you can choose whatever you'd like. And then you're gonna need a pen to draw out the shapes for our turkey. And then you're gonna need any pair of scissors. Make sure you're really careful with these and that your parents are around. And lastly, we're gonna need a glue stick to put everything together. Now that we have our materials, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is trace out this shape, which is gonna be the shape of our turkey's body. You can go ahead and follow along just like I did here, and when you've finished, we can just go ahead and cut this out, just like this. Now make sure you're very careful with these, don't get hurt, and make sure to follow along the lines that we drew. This is gonna be the middle of our paper, and all of our feathers are gonna be surrounding it, so make sure it looks very nice. And when you're finished, it should look something like this. Now that we've done that, we're gonna take our turkey's body, add some glue to the back, and attach it to the center of our blank piece of paper, just like this. Now after we've attached our turkey's body onto our blank piece of paper, we're gonna add a face and some legs and mouth. So you could do this however you'd like. Feel free to add whatever you want. Give him a silly face if you want, but I'm gonna go ahead and give him 2 eyes and a beak, and then 2 legs, just like this. Great, now for our next step, we're gonna need our scissors and our colorful pieces of paper. Now, what we're gonna do with these is cut a few strips out of each of them. These are gonna turn into our turkey's feather. You cut as many as you'd like, but when we finish, they should look something like this. Now that we've cut out our paper, we're gonna take a strip. You're gonna add a little bit of glue on one of the ends, and then all you have to do is join the 2 ends together like this, and then pinch. These are gonna make his feathers, and when you finish, they should look something like this. Now our next step is to take one of our feathers, and we're gonna add just a little bit of glue on the end, and now we're gonna actually attach this to our turkey. Now you're gonna place these all around the turkey. You could put as many as you'd like in whatever colorful pattern that you'd like. Now that we have finished our turkey, it should look a little something like this. I think this came out beautiful, and I'd like to thank you for doing this craft with me and take a moment to remind you to stay reading and to stay active. I hope you had fun, and thanks for watching.